original pump from at least since we had the house for over 30 years. That's good.
Grab the got 2 pipe wrenches in the pipe.
So there's a little thing to screw in down there? Well,
I guess so.
sorry. Never had this, never seen this before. Oh, look at that. Okay.
That's the pitless adapter.
Pitless adapter. Sheesh.
Take this. Just pull.
So there's a little thing to screw in down there? Well,
I guess so.
sorry. Never had this, never seen this before. Oh, look at that. Okay.
That's the pitless adapter.
Pitless adapter. Sheesh.
Take this. Just pull. All right. We'll see what this is like. You should have a ground. There should be a ground wire on this. All right, ready? Wait. All right. It's broke.
Wow.
That is why
Wow.
I don't like this.
Wow. Lucky you caught that.
That's why I don't like this pipe.
Mm-hmm. That's not too deep, thank God. Oh, look, it even broke down there.
Yeah, that's why.
Wow.
Wash your hands real quick. Put your water in the water.
Damn. This is a 1/3 horsepower.
Well, at least it's a nice day.
Yeah,
Not freezing.
yeah. It's coming. Don't worry. It's coming.
Yeah, well, you didn't want to do this in the cold.
No.
I know I wouldn't have wanted to do
Right.
it.
Right. Cold and windy. So thank God it broke now, not in January,
Oh, yeah.
not February. Mm-hmm. So that's going to be a lot more powerful than what I had. The pipes will be okay, right?
Yeah, this should be all good.
Okay, the pipes in the house should be okay, right?
Yeah, because it's going into the tank first.
Oh, yeah, true.
And
Yeah.
then out
Yeah.
of there, it's going to...
Oh, yeah.
It's just going to pump quicker in.
Yeah. And
It's
not
going to come
real
quicker.
quick. Yep.
So the pump's not going to run as much.
Nice. Very nice.
You got the... or the clamps. Okay, good. Should go. Good. light. Right where this pipe is, where I gotta go down. Hold that. Trying to live in. No, I need the light. Says I'm right there.
You got it?
That's it.
Wow.
Just had to get it in the groove.
Wow. Nice. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I see it. I see it. That's how that's done.
Alrighty.
Pump of water. Just gotta clean it up. And that's it. So we gotta wait till all the junk comes out of the water. If we start up the well. About 15, 20 minutes or so, I think. That's what he said. So we gotta wait. And then I have to change the filter on the inside. Buy a Tesla. We'd appreciate using my referral code. And again, thank you for watching.